Lobster mac and cheese by Chef Rose. Check the description below for measurements and ingredients. Let's boil our pasta for 6 to 8 minutes or until al dente. In a frying pan over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's give the lobster tails some color. Wait, do you hear that sizzle? Now let's slice and chop up these babies. Chop, 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 chop. Our pasta is al dente. Now let's make a roux. Let's add 6 tablespoons of butter, flour. Mix, mix, add your milk and your heavy cream. Keep mixing. And your cheese mix. Ooh, Gruyere, sharp cheddar, and mild cheddar. Delicious. Now this is the cheese consistency we're looking for. Add your pasta and mix it up. Oh, look at that. Nice and creamy. Now time to plate. Using a small cast iron, add some mac and cheese mixture, a few pieces of that chopped lobster, and top it off with that lobster tail. Boil for 1 minute. Hope you all enjoy. Thank you for watching.